Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video, we'll discuss about the issues and challenges in mobile computing. Okay, there are several issues that we encounter when we talk about the mobile computing. So the first issues is about the lack of standard. And then the second one, we have device fragmentations. Number three, we have connectivity issues. Number four, we have portability. And number five, we have rapid technology growth in the mobile computing. Okay, let's look at the first issue and challenge in the mobile computing, lack of standard. Okay, mobile platform suffers from lack of standards. Even we have the bodies or organization that control or set up a standardized of the mobile standard, but vendors tend to implement the behavior differently. So not all mobile devices are created equally, and some vendors have to give in to the market demand. So based on the market demand, the vendor must follow the trend. So developing entry-level phone which lack certain features present in the mid-range or the high end of phones. So different segmentation of mobile phone also have different standard. So the lack of standard of different mobile device give a big issue and challenge, especially to us as the mobile application developer. So because of this, so we need to implement or we need to cater in different way when we deal with different devices. Okay, next we go for the second issues in mobile computing, which is device fragmentation. So in device fragmentation, this term is referred to the device which do not conform to the certain of standard. So it's related to the first issue, which is lack of standard. So because of lack of standard, and then it's come a device fragmentation, a lot of devices, various type of devices. So the standard are various. Example here, mobile device have different screen aspect ratio, different screen size, and contain features absent in other phones. Okay, when we talk about the mobile devices, it's not only the smartphone or mobile phone, it can be any mobile devices. And if you look around you, even in your family itself, okay, if different people use different smartphone, okay, different tablet have different features that not available in the whole tablet. So that are the issues that the mobile application developer face in order to create application that's suitable for those devices. And device fragmentation pose challenges to us, okay, because we have different devices with different features and capabilities. So when we develop a mobile application, we need to do the testing part for several devices in order to ensure whether the application that we develop is compatible or not towards certain devices. So it make us as the mobile developer more need for us we need to spend more time for the testing part, because not all devices can suit or run our application in smoothly. So that are part of challenging in developing the mobile application. Okay, the first one is lack of standard. Lack of standard because we have device fragmentation. So device fragmentation also lead to the lack of standard. And then the third one is about the connectivity. Under the connectivity, we have disconnection, low bandwidth, heterogeneous network, and security risk. Disconnection. What are the issues here? Okay, wireless communication is so susceptible to the disconnection. Okay, when we deal with the mobile device, certain application need us to be connected to the internet, right? So how we want to cater if the user run our application and suddenly they are disconnect from the internet? What are the process? How the application that we develop deal with the process of submit or storage or store the data or retrieve the data from the server? Can the mobile application that we develop cater with this kind of issue? Means when our user use our application and suddenly it's disconnected to the internet, what will happen? As a mobile developer, we need to think of that. The second part is about the low bandwidth. The network bandwidth is divided among the users sharing cell. So different user may have different bandwidth. Okay, because we use the different telecommunication network and so on. Number two is about heterogeneous network. Mobile computers encounter more heterogeneous network connection. Okay, because of uh, the character of the mobile device itself. And number four is about the security issues. Okay, this one we already discussed on the previous uh, chapter about the security risk or security issue in mobile computing. A connection to the wireless link is so easy using the mobile device, so the security of the wireless communication can be compromised much more easily than when we connect through the cable or guided transmission medium. So this is the third part is about the connectivity. Okay, the next issue is about the portability. Okay, under the portability, the first is about the low power, is about the power supply. Second is about the risk of the data. And the third is about the small storage capacity. Okay, when we talk about the low power, means that there's a challenge and issues for the developer to reducing the battery weight because we want to have a small device. So reducing battery weight is important. Too small a battery can undermine the value of portability by causing user to recharge frequently and carry spare battery. This is also an issue. You as the mobile user are not very happy to carry a spare battery. Yes, we have the uh, portable battery right now. Yeah, we have power bank, but it is not a happiness as a user to carry power bank everywhere. Okay, and second is about the risk of data. We deal with the small device, small computer. Okay, small devices of mobile computing means we have small computer. So it's about the risk of data. Okay, because the device is small, it's easy to be stolen, it's easy to be misplaced, lost, damaged. And number three is about the small storage capacity. We have mobile device and our mobile device is small in a small size. So how about the storage limitation, the storage capacity? How much data that we can store inside our mobile device? So this is about the portability. We have low power, risk of data, and small storage capacity. Okay, and then the last but not least is about the rapid technology growth. Okay, another challenges in developing a mobile device is a rapid development of the new technology. It's not only for developing mobile devices, but it's also a challenge for the mobile application developer when they want to develop a new application because of the evolving into technology, that rapid change day by day. Okay, mobile device has grown rapidly in last few years. Yeah, let's say you bought a phone or mobile phone in 2012 or 2010. Your phone may not cater with the current technologies, or it's already obsolete, or there is no spare part. Okay, there is no spare part for your phones that being developed in 2012. Open Handset Alliance has recorded 2 years release, two new releases of Android OS in span of 1 year. So how fast the technology change, and each new release introduce new API and new features which may obsolete the older devices. So this not only challenge for the developers or manufacturer or vendors, these also become a challenges to the users. We need to change our devices after 2 years. Okay, more money need to be invested in order to have the latest technology and invention about the mobile device and mobile computing. So that are the issues and the challenges that not only as the manufacturers or not only as the mobile application developer, but it's also a challenge for the mobile user because of the lack of standard about the portability, about the uh, risk of the data that we need to store, about the technology that rapidly change from year to year, from month to month. So it's become a challenge for us, for everyone. Okay, so that's all for this video. So hopefully everyone are clear about the challenge and the issues, and the challenge and issue may change from year to year, and it may uh, become more challenges in the future. We might not know nowadays, but it's can be more challenges for the next generation. So that's all. Thank you and assalamu alaikum.